Hello friends, today's date is 30 August 2021 and today's topic is string. So let's see what is the string. String which are widely used in Java programming, and it is the sequence of characters. In a Java programming language, string are treated as an object. The Java platform provides the string class to create and manipulate the string. To creating the string, we most directly way to create a string as a string getting is equal to in double quote hello words. Whenever it encounters a string literal in our code, the compiler creates the string object with its value. In this case, hello world. Uh, in this case, hello world. We can create the string objects by using the new keyword and constructor. The string class has 11 constructors that allows you provide the initial value of the string using the different sources such as an array of characters. For example, public class string demo, then a public static void main string arguments character hello array in is equal to in a open curly bracket in a single quote h comma in a single quote e comma in a single quote l comma in single quote l comma in single quote o and o then close the curly brackets and semicolon. Next one is a string hello string is equal to new string hello new is equal to new hello array, and third one is system.out.println hello string. Then it will produce the result is hello. The string class is mutable, so that once it is created a string object cannot be changed. If there is a necessary to make a lot of modifications to string of characters, then you should use the string buffer and string builder classes. Now we can see the string length methods used to obtain the information about an object are known as accessor methods. One accessor method that you can use with string is the length method, which returns the number of characters contained in the string object. The For now we can see the example of the length method string class. Example, public class string demo, then public static void main string arguments, then string palindrome is equal to dot show dot so I was told, then integer length is equal to palindrome dot length, then system.out.println string length is plus length, then close the brackets, then output will be shown on the console is string length is equal to 17. We can also concat the string. The string class includes a method for concating the two strings, that is string 1 dot concat string 2, and this returns a new string that is string first with string 2 added to it at the end. You can also use the concat method with string literal, as in double quote my name is double quote complete dot concat in a double quote somo, then close the bracket and semicolon. Then string are more commonly concatenate with the plus operator, as in a double quote hello plus in double quote word plus in double quote exclamatory then output will be shown on the console is hello world. Now we can also the example of the string demo. We can create the class demo, then public static void main string arguments, then string and we can create the object of this string class. String 1 is equal to the saw I was and system.out.println in bracket dot plus string 1 plus dot. Then output will be shown on the console is dot saw I was told. Creating now we can see the creating the format of string, the printf and format methods to print the output with the formatted numbers. The string class has an equivalent class method, then format and it is the returns string object rather than print string object. The string static format method allows you to create a formatted string that you can reuse opposed to a one time print statement. For example, the value of the float variable is %f, while the value of the integer is equal to integer and variable is %d and the string then string is %s, then float variable integer var string var. Now we can see the methods of the strings. There are many methods are used in the string. We can see the one by one. The first method of the string is char at integer index. It returns the character at the specified index. Then next one is the integer compare to object O. It is compares this string to another object. Next one is a integer compare to string another string. It is compares the two string lexicographically. Fourth one is a integer compare to ignore case in bracket string str. It compares the two strings lexicographically, ignoring the case differences. Then string concat in bracket string str concatenates the specified string to the end of this string. Next one is a boolean content equals string buffer sb. It returns the true if and only if this string represents the same sequence of characters as the specified string buffer. Then next one is a string static string copy value of character data. It returns a string that returns the that represents the character sequence in the array specified. Next one is a static string copy value of character array of data, integer, offset and integer count. It returns the string that represents the character sequence in the array specified. Next one is a boolean ends with a string suffix. In this string ends with the specified suffix. Then boolean equals object an object. It is a compares the strings to the specified object. Next one is a boolean equals ignore case string another string. It is compares the strings to another string, ignoring the case considerations. Next one is a byte array, then get bytes. It encodes these strings into a sequence of bytes using the platform's default cassette, and sorting the result into the new byte array. Also, it is the string index of integer ch. It returns the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified characters. Then integer index of integer ch comma integer from index. It returns the index within this string of the first occurrences of the specified characters, that is starting the search at the specified index. Then integer index of string str, it returns the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified substring. Then substring in turn, it returns the canonical representation for the string object. Then integer last index of integer ch, it returns the index within the string of the last occurrence of the specified characters. Now integer last index of string str, it returns the index within the string of the rightmost occurrence of the specified substring. Integer last index of string str and integer from index, it returns the index within the strings of the last occurrence of the specified substring, searching backward, starting at the specified index. Then integer length, it returns the length of this string. Then boolean matches string rejects it tells whether or not the string matches the given regular expressions. Now string replace character old character and character new character. It returns the new strings resulting from replacing all the occurrence of the old character in this string with the new character. Then string replace all, then string rejects and string replacement. Then replace each substring of this string that matches the given regular expression with the given replacement. So replace first, split, then starts with, ends with, then character sequence, subsequence. These are the many methods are used in the string. So it's all about the information about the string. Thank you so much.